Okay, so to find the measure of a six-sided figure, so this is a hexagon, so 6 sides, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 360, divide it by 6, which is going to give me 60 degrees. And this is my central angle. Well, angle 1 is a central angle, so the measure of angle 1 is equal to 60 degrees. So now what I want to do is I want to find, and I'm going to redraw this angle, this triangle right there. So that triangle, if I draw it right here, well, I know that this is 60 degrees because it's a central angle, and these are going to end up being the exact same measure. So what I can use is the interior angle sum theorem to find out the measure of the other ones. And what we're going to find is that x is going to be equal to 60, and so that was the measure of angle 2. So the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a smaller triangle, which is half of that. And so from here, I know that this is 90 degrees, that's 60, which means that this has to be 30. So the measure of angle 3 has to be equal to 30 degrees. And so you should be able to do that with any regular regular polygon just by doing quick little maths and using what we know about triangles. And so when it comes time to take the area, what we're going to do is we're going to cut this into slivers. So if I go ahead and break this up into 5 different pieces, well, all of these are my radius, and all of these have to be congruent. So what I end up with is 5 triangles that are the exact same. So whatever I'm going to do is I'm just going to do the area of the polygon is going to be equal to 5 times the area of the little triangle. And a good way to put it is on this slide right here. So the area of a regular polygon is the area of one of the triangles times the number of triangles, which, really is the number of sides. I could break down the area of one triangle, and it's 1/2 of the apothem times the side length. And the side length is the base in that scenario, times the number of sides. And if I want to reorder it, it's 1/2 times the apothem times the number of sides times the side length. Well, the number of sides times the side length is equal to the perimeter of the polygon.